At Honeybee Care, we kill the mites, not the bees. Welcome to the Honeybee Care family of Oxalic Acid Vaporizers. The aluminum, steel, Teflon, and engineered plastic components used in the construction of each vaporizer will provide untold years of mite control for you and your bees. Whether you are a novice, hobbyist, sideliner, or commercial beekeeper. Our manufacturing methods and tooling have been developed to quickly and effectively produce components. Whether parts are being cut, drilled, milled, routed, formed in presses, or turned on lathes, we strive to obtain economy of scale, so savings may be passed on to the end user as a more affordable product. The production processes we employ turn out high-quality, repeatable parts that speed the assembly of your vaporizer, while building in quality and dependability that will allow you to eliminate mites in your bee yard for years to come. The Honeybee Care line of vaporizers were first introduced as the COVID pandemic was overtaking the world's economy. Though beset by supplier and material shortages brought on by the pandemic, we were able to maintain production throughout, though at a lower level than desired. Upon emerging from those dark times, our growth and capabilities have continued to evolve, as we can now boast of having delivered over 2,000 units from our family of vaporizers to the beekeeping community. Correspondingly, our customer base now stretches well beyond the borders of the United States to include countries such as Canada, the United Kingdom, Israel, Ukraine, Brazil, and New Zealand. Though we have received a multitude of orders from Japan, Japanese customs have refused entry to our products without explanation. If you're searching for an affordable, quality OA vaporizer, you have arrived. Our family of vaporizers have been designed, developed, and engineered for reliability, ease of use, and an economical price point for today's beekeeper. With multiple models and a range of price points, we feel confident that you'll find a model to fit your needs and budget. Honeybee Care's goal is to produce affordable, dependable, quality OA vaporizers for beekeepers that will protect your hive or hives from the dangers of Varroa mites. Take a moment to join the Honeybee Care team of users. Your bees will love you, and the dreaded Varroa mite will naturally hate you. But of course, that's a mutual sentiment. At Honeybee Care, we help you kill the mites, not the bees.